This is Rubel from BFix. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to unbox and set up an air purifier from Xiaomi. I hope it will be helpful for new buyer who wants to buy an air purifier for healthy inhaling, exhaling, or healthy lunch. So let's see.
Friends, before watching the video, please make sure to like and subscribe my video.
So let's get started. This order I got from Amazon. So what I will do, I will first unbox this one. Let's get started. There you go. Lots of pepper on. There's a nice holy smoke. There's so much pepper on it. This is good. Do I have an warranty? I think so. I have an warranty from Amazon. Return, replace your item. That is good. Anyway, that's fun. This is an. I think this is an $100 around. Yes, I bought it in an offer. So Xiaomi, I love Xiaomi's products. Basically, they are kind of like an Apple in China, and their products are really high quality. I'll show it to you. I have Xiaomi. You can see my other videos on my Xiaomi air fryer, which is like has Alexa support, Google Home support, and also I have an vacuum cleaner from Xiaomi, which is also have like Amazon Alexa and then Google support. They are pretty good, pretty nice. Also, I have like a cooker. Okay, so first of all, I will tell you what's the specification. Okay. Uh, so for the specification, it says it has a three-stage filtration. Okay. So one is have to trap larger airborne particles including pet, dander, pollen and dust, and there's the high efficiency filter, the second layer filter. Okay, so here you can see it says 99.7% particle filter, and there's the high quality activated carbon filter. So carbon filter is reservoir which can get rid of odors and harmful gases like smoke. Okay, so that's what it is. This is like a Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier for compact. Okay, and this is a kind of European standard and American standard both. You can see 100 volt to 240 volt, so it will work in both USA and then in UAE, and also in European Union or UK, whatever. Okay, so it has a support of Wi-Fi. Okay, you can see 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and package contains air purifier, filter, power adapter, and an user manual. Obviously, the Xiaomi air purifier is also one of them. Uh, so, okay, so let's just open it and see it because I need to use it anyway. So I bought it for my own use. I hope it will be helpful for you to decide when you buy it. Okay, I think I should. Okay, here. Okay, now it's okay. I like to open new stuff. That's nice. I feel good. There you go. So there's a power adapter information, as I said, 100 volt to 240 volt, input AC frequency 50 to 60 hertz, output voltage 24 volt, and output current is 2. So it's like 48 watt outage it will take. It's not that power hungry, but still, and there is a huge manual of it, how to plug, how to use, whatever you want to do. Probably I'll need it, probably I will not need it, but whatever it is there. One is English. Holy smoke, it has a particle sensor also. Okay, that is nice. They have particle sensor, grill, there's the display, touch screen, and mood switch button, on off standby button, then the light adjustment button, so you can also control the front view, rear view. It has a vertical sensor or whatever. And there you can see the button function. There's the Wi-Fi indicator, there's a child lock, there's a filter adjustment. When the filter is done nearly, it will enable. There's a standby button, you can basically stop it for a while. There's the air quality indicators. Oh, that is good. So green is basically good, yellow is okay, orange is bad, red is really bad. Okay, and there's a mood indicator, mood switch button. So okay, automatically switch mode according to the indoor air quality. So usually I'll put just automatic. Okay, sleep mode, manual mode, or whatever. Okay, that is nice. It has so many features. How to install, how to use, turning on, resetting the Wi-Fi, switching mode, adjusting display, blah blah blah. There is many things. Okay, I'll do it later on. You'll be probably exhausted with this thing. Anyway, there you go. Holy smoke! Look at that. It's a masterpiece. Holy smoke! Holy smoke! I don't know how they manage it. It is just around $100. In $100, this is quite a masterpiece. Can you see it? See, it's a kind of a jet propulsion engine kind of stuff. Holy smoke! It is quite nice. So that is the sensor that they were talking about. I think we can open it, but I'll not open it really. It stays there anyway. And here is the brand name Xiaomi. This is pretty big, and filter is already set up, but I think there's no way to open the filter, but I will not open it right now. Oh, holy smoke! You see, this is the filter. This is quite easy. I didn't need even manual. Okay. Oh, it's nice. Right, here you go. I'll just put it for now. Yep. So this way is closed, other way is locked. Nice, fantastic. Okay. That's that. Then inside box, that is just only power adapter. That's it. It's a high quality, very good Xiaomi power adapter. There we go. I like them. That is the reason why I like them. They're good. It's heavy. It's good. And the rating is good also. Alright. So that's it. Now what I'll do,